Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rose sherbet at home. It's a refreshing drink that's perfect for hot summer days. First we will need to gather our ingredient. You will need fresh rose petals, sugar and water and some lemon juice. Next we will start by making the rose syrup in a pot. Add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Stir it until the sugar dissolve completely. Then add 1 cup of refreshed rose petal and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Once it's done, strain the mixture through the sieves into a bowl. Now let's make the sherbet in a glass. Add 2 tablespoons of the rose syrup we just made. Then add some ice cubes and fill up the glass with cold water. And finally add a squeeze of lemon juice and give it a good stir. And there you have it, your own very homemade rose sherbet. It's super easy to make and taste amazing. Plus it's a great way to impress your guest at your next dinner party. Thank you for watching. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe for summer like this one. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, thank you.